YouTube, this is Don from his Scribe and DaretoBeCreative. I am here with a project share, and this project share is for Shanta. She is here on the YT, and her channel is simply Shanta, and she is having a Memorydex / postcard challenge. Now, one of the requirements is that you can't do Halloween, and you have to have your items submitted. Well, she has to receive them by Friday, the 26th of February. And the other thing is that she wants them sturdy. You have to make a Memorydex card, and you have to make a postcard. The postcard needs to have the postcard stamp on the back with your social media, and then the Memorydex has to have your social media as well as a sentiment, sturdy, and answer to a couple questions like your favorite crafty item, your address, your date of birth, your style, and your social media. So, just want to show you real quick what I used. I used this Stickabilities by Hobby Lobby, and I forgot they were Stickabilities. I was thinking they were chipboard. I was wondering why they were so sturdy, but it's because they have the stamp on the back. Some thread, some doilies, this Hey Girl paper from Hobby Lobby, which you've all seen, and yes, and my Memorydex die. I just put my stuff away, didn't I? Yep. Oh, here it is. Wait a minute. Sorry about that. I redid this video again. So this is a AliExpress Memorydex die, and then I used this Just Because stamp from LDRS, which I just hauled recently, and then I used this really, really old stamp, Tattered Angels, because it had a postcard word right here. It says postcard. It has a little line. It actually has the border for a postcard, but it's for an A2 size card. So she wanted a 4x6, so this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/4. So I didn't use that. I do have another couple more postage ones, but this was always easy to find because of its size, and I still have it in its original packaging, which I don't normally do, but just because it's so large and the pieces are very large. So I just grabbed this one quickly. So I used that and that stamp for my stamps. And real quick, just quick simple project that I made. I actually made me one too, because I hadn't made one in so long. So on my Memorydex card, let me show you what I did. My lighting is really like horrible. Ugh, I should have cut my light on. Sorry. Anyway, I made it like this originally. Well, this is mine because I made it like this, and then when I tried to flip it on the Memorydex, Heidi Swap Memorydex, it won't flip. So I have two, so I made one over again for her. So I moved it down on this one for her so she can flip it. So, and it was two, so I keep this one because this one doesn't flip, and I'm just going to rip that off and re-glue it. But anyway, this is hers. My info is on the back, and just put some enamel dots, which I got these enamel dots from BB Crafts. And just put the thread in the door, cut a piece of a doily, and the girl. And this sentiment actually came from, oops, I forgot to show that to the other Stickability set that I got from Hobby Lobby from the LOL girls. So I kind of mixed it up. And then, so like I said, since I had to change that, I made two. So since I made two of those, I decided to go ahead and make two postcards. And I made the postcards the same, so. And I fussy cut out the You Got This Girl from one of the cut aparts in the paper collection. And I did use my gold paint pens to go around the edges. And let me pull it up. And of course I will have pictures on my Instagram so you can see. So both of these are identical. Same products. Same on the back. I did the postage. You can see the stamp right there, and I have my address and stuff up there. But anyway, and my logo's over there for both my channels. And then I did make a quick little card, A2 card. and I would have cut apart and some thread in another one of the girls and just some of the enamel dots. And I left it blank inside so she can feel free to use it for whatever situation she may need to use it for. And it's double matted. And an envelope. So I will be sending it out to her. So I will link her channel below, so if you're interested in participating in it, and you can also check out her blog with her address on it. She wants it in her hand by Friday 26th. So she wants you to do a video response as well, so she knows what's coming, because the mail has been crazy. I know on mine, and I don't know about her end, but I don't know, I'm still waiting on packages myself to get here. So hopefully everything arrived on time. But anyway, that is what I created. Check out her channel. And yeah. So thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.